Now let us have some idea over the extension of the previous model, that is the model number 4, where we have used the kth order Erlangian distribution. In this particular model, you can say it is just the extension of that previous one, where we are putting k equal to infinity, okay, and the average service time is given by, service time is always 1 by mu, okay, the service rate is mu, okay, and the standard deviation, okay, standard deviation is 0, okay. Now if you put k into infinity in the previous model, we are getting this type of formulas. So we will just look over the formulas for once, and we will going to solve a problem. So average number of customers in the queue, LQ, is given. You have to just omit the kth one, the terms which are having the k. In the previous model, they are having the k plus 1 by 2k, okay. So you have to just omit the k terms. So you are getting lambda square by 2 mu to mu minus lambda, just similar to the model 4 only, okay. Now average number of customers in the system, LS, is given by lambda square by lambda 2 mu into mu minus lambda plus lambda by mu. And the third one is the average waiting time in the queue, that is WQ, lambda by 2 mu into mu minus lambda. So average waiting time is given by WS by equal to lambda by 2 mu into mu minus 1 plus 1 by mu, okay. So we will be having a problem based on this particular formula, okay. So we will have for a numerical based on the extension part of the module 4. The problem says an automatic vending machine at the airport dispenses a cup of coffee in 48 seconds, okay. So it gives a cup of coffee in 48 seconds. Customers arrive according to Poisson process with a mean rate of 25 per hour. Now, whenever you see Poisson, just think of lambda, okay. So you can write as lambda equal to 25 per hour, okay. Just one. Next, it says it can service rate also ever is given. It dispenses a cup of coffee in 48 seconds. So you can also write 48 seconds given. So you have to convert it into per hour, okay. This is the hour. Next, you have to calculate the average number of people that will be waiting for service. Average number of people that will be waiting for service, that is in the length of the queue they are asking. So LQ you have to find average waiting time of the customer, okay. Average waiting time of the customer, not for total system. So WQ will be that, and average number of customers in the system. Now total in the system, how much customers are there in the system, LS, okay. So three things we have to calculate. Let us write. It is a simple problem. So first write the given data, that is lambda equal to 25 per hour given, mu equal to 16 to 60 by 48, that is 75 cups. You can say it can dispense 75 cups of coffee per hour. And here it is a special case where we take k equal to infinite service, okay. K equal to infinite, service is constant, okay. So let us calculate the first one, the average number of people waiting in the queue. First one, the LQ you have to find. The formula is simple. You just have to put the values and you are getting the answer. 25 square by 2 into mu is 75 into 75 minus 25 gives you 1 by 12, I think, 0.0833. Okay. For the second part, they have asked the average waiting time for the customer only, not for the whole system. So WQ equal to lambda by 2 mu into lambda. So if you have not watched my previous video on model 4, you can first watch the video where I have applied these formulas. The kth part, it has going to have the kth part. The kth part only have to be eliminated for solving this type of problem only. Okay, you have to understand by seeing the problem only which formula you are going to apply. In particular semester examinations, they are not going to say you it is from coming from model 4 or model 3 or model 2. So by seeing the problem, it says for this problem, say for this problem the service rate is constant. You have you can say from this particular problem, a cup of coffee, it is a it is an automatic vending machine, so the time is constant over here. Okay, k equal to infinity and the service is constant, so you have to apply the extensor part of the model 4. Okay, so you have to omit the kth portion. Now lambda is given over here as 25 by 2 into 75 into 50 gives you 1 by 300 equal to 0.0033 minutes. Okay, now third part, it says average number of customers in the system, that is LS given. Once you understand how to solve, which formula you have to apply, then it will be very easier one to solve any problem. Okay, just look at the solution, you have to just apply the formula and you have to put the value and you are getting the result, so no need to worry much. Now this one is lambda square by 2 mu into mu minus lambda plus lambda by mu, or it can be also written as LQ plus lambda by mu. Okay, this can be written as LQ. Okay, so it is 0.0833 plus 25 by 75. Okay, so it gives you how much value? 0.4166. Okay, so that's all about the solution in the extension part of the model 4. And this model you can also say it as a, I will write it over here for your easy understanding. This model is also known as Q models. This is also known as Q models. With Poisson input and constant, as you can see it is an automatic vending machine. Okay, so the service is constant, so constant service time you can say. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.